I take this day as a privilege and feel very happy to announce the inauguration of Sky Club, that is Share Your Knowledge.
I would like to request Mr. C.V.K. Rao sir to address the gathering.
Thank you, ma. So, good morning, dear colleagues, also the members of ESA. First of all, I must congratulate all the ESA student members for actively participating in different activities, particularly in the present situation where certain things are not possible. They are doing their level best and have successfully completed many good programs. And I hope still a lot of programs will come from ESA. And this was when I started or announcing in the classes, one of the best ways. Some students asked me, why sir, why we should have this ESA and everything. I told them one of the objectives of this particular ESA is to learn skill of interest in latest state of art from classmates. This is most important statement, that is learning the skill of interest in latest state of art from classmates. Why this is so? Normal, particularly in a classroom, there will be at least some 10 or 15% of the students, they will be highly enthusiastic and learn the advanced technology or state of art. Note that to learn the advanced state of art or technology, one needs to spend more time, number one. Number two, sometimes one has to spend money as well. So sometimes the platform availability is also required. So nowadays, when we are trying for internships in different platforms, we are really finding very difficult to provide a platform in internship. Then I told the students, some of the students who develop the skills in advance, right, can share their knowledge, their experience, their expertise, their project work knowledge to the other classmates. By that way, the other classmates time will be saved, number one. Number two, affordability. See, suppose for example, let us say X is very enthusiastic and can afford, he has acquired a skill in some sort of platform by paying some excuse amount of money. The same knowledge he can share with his students, with his classmates, and disseminate that particular knowledge and train the students. Then what will happen is there will be two benefits. Number one, the the one who is giving the training will get a very depth of the knowledge, number one. Number second one is that all the students will get that particular knowledge without spending more amount of money externally or outside. This is the one of the objectives I have stressed when students asked me why ESA. Because student club is an excellent platform, excellent experiment conducted right from 1990s in prestigious institutes, wherein even in my PG while in Gindi College of Engineering, in BE we learned only Fortran programming. In ME we didn't have any C language or C++. But in Ramanujam Computing Center there was a student club. Through that particular student club we used it to learn the C language. With that particular thing that is in the back of my mind, I proposed my students, so let us start this particular activities also. Here afterwards, I hope this sort of activity will become a regular feature. And also there is one thing in our NBA or in what is called as a NAC, we have to provide the extra courses of about some 40, some 30, not less than 30 periods. That also we will make it as include in this particular program slowly as we progress. Number one. The last time when we met, I also told the Vivek and others that So for the next year also, we should also give the internship under some heading in collaboration with some other institutions, right? We have to provide the internship for the other college students as well. Okay, so in these directions, we are planning in this particular ESA. At present, this Sky Club will be more useful. It would have been very encouraging if all our ESA students have attended this particular program today. But anyhow, let us hope they will also join us soon. And also I request all the ESA members to utilize the expertise of all my staff members. Every staff member in our electrical department is expert in different fields. Okay, so the engineering is such a beauty that one cannot have expertise in all the angles of engineering. So there are different angles, different shades. All our staff members are experts in different areas of expertise. Please make use of the expertise of the staff and bring some innovations through this particular club. I I I have one aim of this particular club. When we have started this initiating this particular club, and slowly we are trying to impart some sort of skill program we will take up immediately, and that skill we will impart. From that skill, at least any one innovation, if it comes out, I hope the purpose of this club will be fulfilled. I hope we will all work together to meet this particular aim and target. Number one. Number two. Another one is now I request Vivek and others to give wide publicity and try to conduct one separate meeting so that we can invite the new members into our ESA. That is membership drive, what G. Satyanarayana sir was mentioning. Right? Let us all do it once again. Let us have one particular uh, on one particular day. We will call for one meeting. In that particular meeting, I will try to arrange one expert class in the project innovation and initiatives by the entrepreneurship group of industry people. This we are going to do it shortly. And last but not least, I thank all the ESA members and my staff members who have been cooperating by and large for the success of these events in ESA. My special thanks goes to G. Satyanarayana sir, who always takes interest in conducting a very good number of programs in this ESA. And also my thanks to the Vivek, who always alerts me either through his personal messages or through his direct cell phone talks, or this is the activity that is pending we have to do. I thank him a lot for alerting me all the time, because remembering every time particularly in online is very difficult. So I thank Vivek also for that one. And also finally I thank for conducting the numerous programs under the ESA banner. I hope it will continue, and I wish all the success for this particular SKY club. Share your knowledge club. Okay, thank you. All the best to this particular club. To all of you, thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for always supporting us and being the man with motive for ESA. Now, I would like to request Dr. DVM Chari, sir, to speak a few words. Before anything else, I would like to thank sir for readily accepting our proposal to act as a mentor for our projects hub. I'm pretty sure that students have a lot to learn under your guidance.
Thank you. Respected HOD sir, Gopal Krishna garu, faculty members and students, very good morning. At the outset, I congratulate Sri G. Satyanarayana garu, the faculty coordinator, and Vivek, Medha Reddy, Sai Babu, Sai Kumar, the student coordinators, for coming forward to start this club. I wish them all the best. And I thought many students from second year, first year, and third year would join. But anyhow, please circulate the advantage of these clubs to all the students. And as you know, all the students know what are the benefits of these clubs. I would like to remind the benefits of these clubs. So the main aim is to provide wholesome experience to students in and outside the classroom, and to hone their technical and personal skills. So this is the main objective of these clubs. And these clubs also offer endless opportunities for the participation and leadership of students beyond the academic program and classroom setup. Okay. And it also helps transformation and holistic development of the students. So these clubs are particularly aimed at helping students to get involved in their own area on campus and make them life ready. Not only life ready and job ready also. So the club activities play an important role in determining and directing the passion and interest of the students. And these clubs make them not only life ready, they make them job ready and making them ready to face the uneven path of survival in the world of cutthroat competition. And as you know, all the students know that learning through teamwork is essential for any career. So it is an essential skill for any career. Please remember. And there are many opportunities for personal development also through these clubs. And maybe I suggest these club members and coordinators to target all these project-based learning approach, management practices, and the latest thing is machine learning, data analytics, and learning through technical magazines and journals, hands-on workshops on latest EDA tools. They have conducted many programs on these EDA tools and many more programs to be conducted on this one. Paper writing and presentation, quiz, discussion on club themes and the related topics. So please focus on this one. Interaction with eminent industrial and academic experts in the domain of the club theme and arranging guest lectures, and also industrial and institutional tours. These are all important things. And we were having some clubs in the past, maybe in 2016, I have seen Mr. Siraj Ahmad started a project club and encouraged the students of their batch as well as the juniors by conducting many classes after the college hours. And Nirikshana started English club and newspaper reading club. All these were there only for 1 year. So that is the thing. So please, I request all the members to guide the juniors, to train the juniors, and continue the same clubs forever, and try to share your knowledge according to it. I think it is the best name for this club to share your knowledge. So I once again congratulate all the students and I wish them all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Now, I would like to request all the club coordinators to present a detailed ideation and execution of their clubs, and also to brief out the process of implementation. Firstly, Project Hub. The faculty mentors are Dr. DVM Chari sir, Dr. PVV Ramarao sir, and Mr. YLN Rao sir. The student coordinators are Medha, Triple 1 third year, and Vivek, Triple 2 third year.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. Well, I am Medha Reddy Bhujala of third year Triply and one of the ESA OC member. As a part of our ESA's first ever innovative club, the Sky Club, we are launching a sub club called the Project Hub for fulfilling wishes of many students who wish to make their own projects. These days, engineering is not about a piece of paper as a qualification. Engineering students have to find creative ways to show off their knowledge of design, control, and maintenance of equipment to stay ahead of their peers. So, this will be the wonderful opportunity and newfangled way for all my fellow engineers to do the projects. As most of you know, there is a saying that If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. So let's start with minor projects, then later on we will proceed for major projects. And we are fortunate to have a well-experienced faculty coordinator, Dr. DVM Chari sir, and skilled mentors PVV Ramarao sir and YLN Rao sir for the P Hub. Let's work together, go hand in hand, learn together, and have fun. Further, method of implementation will be continued by my co-student coordinator, Mr. Vivek. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Meda. To carry forward from where you left, I would like to present the method of implementation. It will be a four-stage method. Under stage one, we'll ask all the interested students to join the WhatsApp group wherein they can find students of like-mindedness and form subgroups. Mostly, we would focus on creating a group wherein all the students from third year to first year will be present. Second part will be finalizing projects. That is what we call as the ideation and abstract submission. Ideation is taking up a problem statement and forming an idea of how to solve it. Abstract is a written piece of submission that would help us know what your idea is and how do you want to go forward with a project. Third is feasibility report and groundwork for the project. Feasibility report is the most important aspect of any project because without knowing the feasibility of the project and the method of implementation of the project, we cannot proceed further and directly jump into the project. And once we know the feasibilities of the ideation, then we can go for the groundwork of the project. And as the final stage, we'll go for the project implementation, and that would produce the final outcome. And in the due course of all the stages, we as student coordinators would help you find your group members and help you take up ideas. And also with the expertised faculty as coordinators, we hope that this club will reach its peaks in a very short time. And for queries, you can contact both of us. Here are our contact numbers. Please note down. And thank you.
Now, I would like to announce our second club under Sky, the Info Gallery. The coordinators are Sai Babu, Triple 2 third year, and Sai Kumar, Triple 1 third year.
Good morning to all the dignitaries and respected HOD sir. I am Sai Kumar of Triple 1 third year. ESA Sky Club proudly presents you the sub-club Info Gallery. The main theme of this club is to answer all the unanswered questions. I repeat, to answer all the unanswered questions and to make easy for everyone in finding of answers. Daily will come across many questions and doubts, either which is related to our campus or off the campus. And we'll start searching for it and end up with no information or no clarity. For a quick instance, many of us don't know the basic details about our college and will definitely get a guilt for asking others. And we'll start searching and we end up with no information. So here we are with a platform named Info Gallery. This is completely a question and answer based club. In this club, we'll provide all the information right from our college to the President of India, which are completely factual. Its major domains and functioning details will be given by Sai Babu. And I request Sai Babu to continue.
Now you are going to have many questions in your mind, like how it is going to function, what information is going to provide, and how it can be implemented, and what is its use. Answer to those questions you get it after this presentation. Like when we come for the functions of Info Gallery, it will be providing the complete details of our college, like about our faculty and events occurring in our college. And for final year students, it provides information regarding the placement details. Not only for the electrical students, but also for other branches, it gives guidelines regarding the career opportunities after Bachelor of Engineering. For overall development of a student, it also helps in making projects and to learn the web development. For third year students, it helpful to provide guidelines regarding internships, like what are the platforms are offering internships for third year. And some people may be interested in government jobs. For those candidates, it gives complete information over all the competitive exams. And not only it provides information, but also it accepts the sharing from you. Like if you have any idea regarding anything, you can contact the Sky Club. Not only in education field, but also it provides information in general awareness questions, like how to access. A permanent Google form will be provided, which will be circulated through WhatsApp and Instagram. And we are going to post this Google form in our official Instagram page as a bio and WhatsApp description. So you can send your queries through Google form. It will be answered in a short period of time. And for any queries, you can contact us, Sai Kumar and myself. And thank you.
Last but not the least, Web Development Club. The coordinator for this club will be Vivek, 222, third year.
Greetings to one and all present here. We under ESA are starting our web development club, which is aimed to teach students about the most trending and the in-demand technology named web development. As you can see in my previous slide, a small piece of website contains all the information related to all these different aspects. And learning this might be tedious and a long task. But we under ESA will try to cover up everything right from basics so that by the end of this, you will be able to design your own websites. You might ask, what is the need for learning web development? As data is vast and websites are ever increasing, so the demand for web development has also increased in the due course of time. Coming to the method of implementation, all the students will be asked to join in a WhatsApp group and will stay connected there. I myself will be taking up sessions for web development. And just to give a brief introduction of why I want to take is, I have learned web development since the last 6 months, and currently I'm working as a project intern in Winwire Technologies under web development banner. So I feel I should share my knowledge with all my fellow mates and help them learn a new skill. For queries, you can contact me. This is my contact number, and thank you.
Now, I would like to request Dr. D. Harikrishna sir to speak a few words.
Afternoon, everybody. It's my privilege to speak in this gathering. I respected HOD sir, CVG Rao sir, Dr. DVM Chari sir, PV Ramarao garu, and ISA coordinator G. Satyanarayan sir, and all the staff members and dear students. I'm very happy that ESA has started this club, Share Your Knowledge, wherein students will be sharing their knowledge, whatever they have acquired through college or by any other means, whatever they have learned, they'll be sharing their knowledge. So it's a good idea, and I hope this will bring a lot of innovative ideas coming together and lead the students to go in a innovative ways and share the innovative ideas from which other students will also get motivated and leads to some innovations as well as new projects. Starting with mini projects is a good idea, wherein you'll create an interest in doing some projects, then reaching to a major project level. And actually this sort of idea already previous seniors have implemented. They have been members of solar things and all. They have been in the competitions also. So again, we are reaching to that same level. As DVM Chari sir has informed that they used to take classes in the evening. Even students used to share their knowledge. So I feel that it's a good idea, and hope all of you will work together and train your juniors. That is very, very important, because it should not stop with this 1 year. It should go ahead and bring laurels to our department as well as institutions. All the best, man. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request Dr. PVV Ramarao sir to speak a few words.
Good morning, respected HOD sir and Professor Chari sir and colleagues and my dear student friends. So at the outset, after going through the sky, the name itself is somewhat creating some zeal. So what I felt when I got invitation from Vivek, Mr. Vivek, hope the sky will make you all to utilize this platform. You all utilize this platform and reach the sky. So what I am expecting. So sky, there are no limits. Okay, sky is also not a limit, but still, okay, through this sky and utilizing this platform, this club, okay, sharing knowledge between peers. Okay, hope you reach many heights. So in our career as well as professional life and personal life. Okay, so whatever profession you might be taking up, hope the sky is going to fulfill all the requirements what you want, or the requirements of the professional life and personal life. because here the clubs not only for professional life, development of professional life, so they also develop our personal life. That means if it is structured properly, that means the club goals and the club activities are structured properly, then you are going to benefit, right? You are going to get so many benefits. Okay. And apart from the development of skill, okay, various skills, okay, maybe communication skills, or you name understanding through discussions, or you name, okay, what you call some challenges, understanding the challenges, or overcoming the challenges, or taking up the more complex problems, or different responsibilities, or playing different roles. Okay, all these things actually you will get it, okay, through club activities if properly structured. That is why structuring the activities okay, in a proper way is very, very important, okay, in this club, okay, in these platforms. Actually, when you are, okay, what you call organizing different types of activities, or okay, different programs, or these things. So also you can establish actually proper relationship, okay, a good relationship between the peers and the mentors, or okay, the outside society, outside the world. That means maybe sometimes industrialists, or okay, academic experts, are okay. That is what actually this is going to make you, this is going to help you, right, to establish a network, okay, a strong network, okay, which may enhance our professional skills as well as personal skills, something like that. See, don't think that I am just differentiating professional skills and personal skills. Overall, of course, skills, but skills which are useful for our professional life, and skills which are useful for okay, personal life, maybe little bit, okay, thin line might be there. So that's what you are going to get it, and you will understand also through different activities. So I hope, okay, the Sky Club will meet all the requirements of each and every one of you, and will make you to reach okay, Sky. So all the best for all the activities, like different activities what you mentioned. So with these few words, I would like to thank the department, HOD sir especially, and the respected professors, Chari sir, and the faculty members, senior faculty members, and my dear students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request Dr. T. Chandrasekhar sir to speak a few words.
Good morning, everybody. Respected HOD sir, respected DVM sir, Dr. Ramarao sir, and Hari Krishna sir, and other colleagues and coordinators of this Sky Club. So it's a good initiative from the ESA, because what I felt means during my observations for this final year projects also, most of the people, means students, for doing their final year project, they will struggle even to build a small MATLAB simulation also, because although they have in curriculum MATLAB simulation in two labs, that is power system, power electronics lab, and electrical simulation lab, but they never practiced. Means so with practice means by building up small circuits or small mini projects. If you do small mini projects in MATLAB or any other simulation software, so naturally it will be helpful for final year projects, and you can extend those mini projects to final year projects also, means as major projects. That is one thing. And another initiative, that is a web page development by Vivek. So that is also a good initiative, because we know information is available, but where it is available, that will give, means if you know the source of information, then it is more good for the students. So with the web page development, we can put, means whatever sources of information, be it means personal or professional, means academics or professional. So all together we build a good web page related to this ESA, means complete activities and information, that will be more good. And I thank the coordinators of this meet and everything. Thank you, sir. And I request all the students to utilize this ESA particularly in doing these mini projects or small projects, whatever it may be, or even in doing the hardware also, means experimentation, hardware experimentation. So so that you will learn. Means for learning you start, means if you start building at least a small item, then you can make a big item. That will give more experience in doing things. So I request all the students to utilize this ESA and this mini projects aspects also. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request Mr. Vayalan Rao, sir, to speak a few words.
Good morning to HOD sir, Mr. CVJK Rao garu, and professors Dr. DVM Chari garu and PVV Ramarao sir, and associate professors Dr. D Harikrishna garu and T Chandrasekhar garu sir, and my dear colleagues and students. Now this is a good platform for the students to get an opportunity to meet the present day situation of a competition. That may be internal competition organized by the college, or it may be organized by other different colleges. That may be at national level. So I think this is a good platform for the students to improve their skills in developing the projects. It's not only in developing the projects, but also to publish some papers from which you will be getting benefited when you apply for US and for MS, especially in US. And hope that these type of Sky Club events which are going to be organized in the future will be utilized by the students, and they will try to improve their skills in terms of hardware, or it may be in terms of software, or it may be in terms of the competition. Whatever may be the thing that is present, it is the challenging for the student to participate in each and every event and try to prove themselves what you are and what you could do the society. Okay, thanks. And I would like to especially congratulate Mr. G. Satyanarayana garu for organizing these type of ESA events. Thank you, and I hope that students would get benefit from these type of opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request Shamon, sir, to speak a few words.
It's a surprise call to me. Good morning all, and congratulate the students for initiating the students club. So with a lot of impetus. So as Ramarao sir was telling about aiming technical and non-technical events. In non-technical, I would like to express about the communication gaps in students. Basically, how to express your ideas and implement the ideas. That we should learn through this informal platform. And learning through the informal platform is like very easy, as a web designer our student was telling. So I would like to join his web development thing also. So instead of going to the institution, if you learn from our friends, it will be easy to grasp. Okay, all the best once again to the students to carry out this program consistently. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request VVV Raghava Sharma, sir, to speak a few words.
Good afternoon, respected HOD sir, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to congratulate all the students and coordinators for making this club, and I wish you all you will conduct a good programs in the coming future and make this club a success one, and also continue this club for coming years also. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Is there any place for cultural events also in your club, sir?
Yes, sir. As a part of FEST, we will be doing all the cultural events, sir.
Okay.
Good.
Now I would like to request Vivek to deliver the.
Greetings, one and all. Honorable HOD, sir, respected faculty members, and all my dear fellow participants. I'd like to take this opportunity as a privilege to propose a vote of thanks. I, on behalf of ESA and the entire organizing committee, would like to express my deepest gratitude to our HOD, Mr. CVJK Rao, sir, ESA faculty coordinator, Mr. G. Satyanarayana, sir, for making this Sky Club happen. I would also like to give a special mention and express my gratitude to all the faculty members, Dr. DVM Chari, sir, Dr. T. Chandrasekhar, sir, Dr. PVV Ramarao, sir, and Mr. Vayalan Rao, sir, for readily accepting our request and being our mentors for the project hub. I would also like to thank Dr. D. Harikrishna, sir, for his support and being present on this auspicious occasion. I would also like to thank all the other faculty members for the gracious present and making this inaugural a memorable one. I would also like to thank all the participants for attending the inaugural and making it a grand success. On a closing note, I would like to request all of you to turn on your cameras for a group picture.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.